building a house out of ice. It sounds impossible, but for thousands of years, this has been the genius architecture of the Arctic. Welcome to the incredible world of igloo construction. First things first, you need the perfect location. The ideal spot isn't just any patch of snow. You need a safe, flat area with a specific type of snow. The best kind is firm, compacted snow, often found in drifts created by the wind. Why flat? It provides a stable foundation, which is crucial for a structure made entirely of snow. An experienced builder will stomp around, testing the ground's firmness with their feet and the snow probe, which is a long, thin rod. They're looking for a deep, consistent layer of snow, free from soft spots or hidden ice that could compromise the build. They'll mark out a perfect circle, the blueprint for the home. The size of this circle determines the size of the igloo, so it's planned carefully based on how many people it needs to shelter. Once the site is chosen, it's time to harvest the building materials. Forget wood and nails. Here, the only material needed is snow, but not just any snow. Using a long, sharp snow knife, traditionally made from bone or ivory, blocks are carved directly from the ground. The snow must have the right consistency, not too soft, or it will collapse, and not too hard or icy, or it will be too brittle and crack. Each block is cut with precision, usually about 3 feet long, 2 feet high, and 8 inches thick. They're surprisingly heavy, so cutting and moving them is hard work. The first row of blocks is cut from inside the marked circle, which cleverly creates a lowered floor inside the igloo, helping to trap warm air. Now for the magic part, building the walls. The blocks aren't just stacked on top of each other. They're laid in a continuous, upward spiraling coil. Each new block is carefully shaped to lean inward at a slight angle. This inward tilt is the secret to creating the igloo's iconic dome shape. As the spiral climbs higher, the angle of the blocks becomes steeper. The builder, working from the inside, trims and fits each block perfectly against its neighbors, ensuring there are no gaps. The spiral design distributes the weight evenly, making the structure incredibly strong and self-supporting, even without any internal framework. It's a marvel of physics and engineering, all done by hand and eye. With the dome nearly complete, the final most important piece is put into place: the keystone block. This is a specially shaped block that fits perfectly into the opening at the very top of the dome. It's carefully lowered into place from the outside, or pushed up from the inside. Once the keystone is set, it locks the entire structure together, completing the dome and making it stable. It's a triumphant moment that marks the completion of the main structure. The igloo is now a solid, self-supporting dome of snow. But the work isn't over. A proper entrance needs to be built. A short, low tunnel is dug under the igloo wall. This design is brilliant because cold air, being dense, settles in the tunnel, while warmer air, which is lighter, stays trapped inside the main living area. Sometimes, a smaller dome or a block wall is built to protect the entrance from wind. Finally, a small ventilation hole is poked through the top of the dome. This is absolutely essential. It allows carbon dioxide from breathing to escape and fresh oxygen to enter, ensuring the air inside stays safe to breathe. It also lets smoke out if a small stove is used for cooking or warmth. Step inside, and you'll find it surprisingly warm. The thick, insulating snow walls trap body heat, and the temperature inside can be up to 40 degrees Celsius or 70 degrees Fahrenheit, warmer than the outside. Igloos aren't just shelters. They are masterpieces of sustainable design, perfectly adapted to the harshest environment on Earth. Thanks for watching. If you found this fascinating, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into Arctic life. See you in the next video.